Hi guys, it's Dallas with Private Label Extensions with your 2-minute tip for today. Now, let's talk about when you're cutting layers. How many times have you seen layers of wigs or extensions and they just look a little scarce down there at that bottom? That's when they have went in and tried to do a haircut and taken out too much of that weight on the inside. And when they take out too much of that weight on the inside, it causes the head to deflate. It causes the hair to shrink. And now you have no more weight within there. You have really sparing little areas there, and it takes away that length. So my suggestion is, when you're cutting layers, keep the layers on the inside a little longer so you can judge what length you really want them to be. And you can go in and point cut and do more customizing for the guests so that you and your guests will be totally satisfied with the final look without you having to add more hair to it because it started out at 180 density and it went down to 110. So there's your tip for today. Keep in mind that when you're cutting, be very cautious. Instead of just snatching all the hair up and cutting it off or going ham on the inside of it, keep your inside layers a little longer so you can customize them for yourself. All right, that's your 2-minute tip for today. See you guys. Bye-bye.